down. There it is. God damn it, Chug. Are you fucking kidding me, bro? You're too old for this shit. Alright, breathe. Breathe. Stop it. Breathe. Get your head out.
You know what I hate? When you're like, I'm about to go eat, and someone's like, didn't you just eat? Like, okay. If you want to eat too, just say that. You being a hater for what?
Waking up in the morning, thinking about so many things. I just wish things would get better. I'm trying to get rid of them.
Oh, your breath smell like...
Graham crackers.
No. It smell like tin cans of Bounce That Ass. That's what it smell like.
Bounce that ass.
Grab her purse, Diddy Dills, and the food you love. The kind of deals that make you boogie.
Bruh.
Walkie slash.
Nigga, where your mom at, nigga? Hey, nigga, where your mom at?
I want to apologize to all of you for what I did. It was very wrong and I am very sorry. I just would like to move on and lead a normal life, you know.
Welcome to the bread bank. We sell bread, we sell loaves. We got bread on deck, bread on the floor. Toasted.
Good morning, Mom. Sorry, the babies are still in my tum-tum. Oh, I like back scratchies. Loaf needs stairs. I am Big Soup. Mom, I can't talk long. I have lots of biscuit orders. I don't have time to play with Purple Bird today. I'm busy. I hope I have an orange soupling and so excited to meet them all. Oof. Waddle waddle. Look at all my toys. I love having my own room to play. Oof. Hi, Purple Bird. I promise souplings will come soon, cooking them extra long in crockpot. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day for Soup and babies. Watermelon tummy.
No, not in a million years. You get that thing away from me right now. They're nice. They're not. I don't care. I don't care if they're flipping nice. That guy.
You never know how high alligator can jump.
I drive a Chevrolet movie theater. Interior crocodile alligator.
Look at all this. Look what you're doing, dude. Get out. Out. That's it. Out. Come on. Come on. Get out.
It's all gone. All gone.
Daddy has one. I have some. There, I have some.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
糖糖，快去把小宝带回来。放下吧，你放。
Head tilt check. Play this video for your dog and record all their reactions to the different sounds.
He doesn't have a clue what's going on. Michael, you poor sweet thing. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you? Sweet boy.
Waking up in the morning, thinking about so many things. I just wish things would get better. I'm trying to get rid of them.
Are you done being parked?
No.
Making my way downtown, walking fast. I'm a seagull, go fuck yourself.
Last night I told you I loved you.
Woke up, blamed it on the vodka. I genuinely thought I was dying, and I could see that smile you were hiding. Last night I told you.
His paws, adorable. His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable. His intelligence, okay.
My mother asked to speak to the cat.
Wayne, did you see the dog? Oh, Wayne, you are so handsome. You are such a handsome boy. Yes. Oh, yes, Wayne. Oh, we love you, Wayne.
Take him away. Take it. The good girl. Yeah, just go. Just.
My dog is really going to Mexico without me. My mom was like, my son or my dog. Yes, you know who she chose? And it's my birthday, what a day. What my family woke up to this morning.
I could hear. Oh, yeah. Go ahead. No more? Okay. Yeah. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I know you want to go inside. I know.
Today, I almost got bit by this handsome creature. This is Henry. He's a border collie, and we are bathing him in our dirty dog shampoo. Henry has always shown aggression for the blow dryer, so we use a muzzle and a happy hoodie, and he turns into a completely different dog. Henry is not normally aggressive for any other part of the groom, but today, while I was shaving out some matting, he spun to bite me, which was a surprise. So I use a muzzle and a groomer's helper to keep me safe. Henry was obviously in a mood today, and during the brush, he started to show some aggression, so him and I had some words. Inappropriate. After that, I clipped his nails, and then I shaved his paw pads and he was mean again. Then I trim the top of his paws. I spray him in our blueberry cologne, and he asks me for his forgiveness. Thank you for the challenge, Henry. At least you're going home looking beautiful.
You can pack your things and leave. There's the door. There's the door, bitch!
Show your newborn babies versus now.
Let me in, please.
New trend. Kiss your pet on the head and see their reaction.
I'm gonna give my cat the phone and leave the room and see what he talks about.
You.
Yeah. Yeah. waking up in the morning, thinking about so many things. I just wish things would get better. I'm trying to get rid of them, but nothing seems to stay the same. Woke up in the morning.
She puts herself on a pedestal, but I put that pedestal there for her to put herself on several pedestals, baby. It's all my